Hey everyone, and welcome to my brand new YouTube series on Python programming. Whether you are a complete beginner, a student looking to strengthen your coding skills, or just someone curious about the world of programming, you are in the right place. In this series, we'll break down Python step by step, from the very basics to real world applications in a simple and easy to understand way. Each episode is packed with hands on examples, clear explanations, and practical tips to help you become confident with Python. No confusing jargons, no rushed tutorials, just clean, beginner friendly learning, one topic at a time. So, grab your laptops, open your code editor, and let's get started on this fun journey into Python programming. This is Code Easy, learn Python one step at a time. Welcome to this quick introduction to Python. Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language. But what does that mean? It means Python is designed to be easy for humans to read and write, yet powerful enough to build complex systems. It's widely known for its simplicity and readability, which makes it perfect for beginners and loved by professionals too. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released back in 1991. But here's something you might not know. Python isn't named after the snake. It was actually named after a British comedy series called Monty Python's Flying Circus. Yep, that's right. Python has a fun origin story too. So whether you're new to programming or looking to expand your skills, Python is a great place to start. All right, now that we know what Python is and where it came from, let's talk about what it actually is. Python is a type of computer language, but don't worry, it's one of the easiest to learn, even if you've never written a single line of code before. It's designed to be simple, clean, and very readable, almost like writing plain English. And you know what the best part is? You can use Python to build games, create interesting mobile apps, develop websites, and even program robots to think and learn. Yes, with just one language, Python, you can do all of that. That is why Python is so popular today. It's flexible, it's powerful, and perfect for beginners. Learn about features of Python. Now, Python is a high-level language as we have already discussed, and it is clear in our mind. Now, let us see what are some of the features. It is free and open source language. It is an interpreted language, as we know, and Python programs are executed by an interpreter. Python programs are very easy to understand as they have clearly defined syntax and relatively very simple structure. Next is Python is case sensitive. For example, number in capital letters and number in small letters are not the same in Python. Uh, it identifies them differently. Python is portable and platform independent, means it can run on various operating systems and hardware platforms. Python has a rich library of predefined functions that we will see in the future chapters, and Python is also helpful in web development. Many popular web services and applications nowadays are being built using Python, and Python also uses indentation for blocks and nested blocks. So like for example, if you use an if statement, so it uses indentation for blocks and nested blocks. Moving on to explaining these features in detail. Now we just learned that Python is a high level language, means it is very easy to understand, like an English language. So if we write print hello world, it just reads like English. Anybody, in layman also will understand that what is this statement trying to do? It is trying to print hello world. So no need to manage memory or hardware. It is easy to understand. It is free and open source, so you can download Python from python.org at no cost and even view or modify its source code. That means it is free and the code is an open source code. Now, what is an interpreted language? Interpreted language that as we have already seen, is where the Python runs each line immediately the moment it is executed. Clearly defined syntax. Now, for example, the name is equal to Alan, and if we write print hello, and if we say name, So what will happen? It is simple and readable structure. So it will print hello, Alan. Case sensitive, as we know, number and number are different in Python, and it doesn't considers number and number to be the same. Different variables because of different cases, uppercase and lowercase. It is portable and platform independent, means the same Python code can run on Windows, also Mac, also Linux, also without any changes. Rich library support. We have, as we'll see in further chapters, there are so many libraries which Python supports, like import math, like print math.square root. So we can just call the math library and we can give all the functions defined within the module and package, and it will help us in finding the square root. And there is no need to write an elaborate code to find the square root of 16. So built-in math library helps with all the calculations. Now web development can be done using Flask, which is also a Python web framework. We'll study this also in the further chapters. This would run a web server. So Python powers websites like YouTube and Instagram, which we are using a lot these days. Next is indentation for blocks. Now, for example, if we write age is equal to 18, and if we give an if condition, if age is greater than or equal to 18, so it will print you are an adult. But if we need to put this statement, we'll have to give an indentation inside the if block. So correct indentation, there are no curly braces now, and Python uses spaces to define the blocks. So if and this condition is within if is defined by this indentation of blocks. Thank you so much for watching this first episode in our Python programming series. I hope you're feeling excited and confident to start your coding journey. In the next video, we'll dive into some core Python topics like data types, variables, and more, so you can start writing your own programs in no time. This is just the beginning, my friends. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.